Today I am showing you how can you edit the chart and insert the chart and everything. So first what you have to do? First you have to select table, then click on insert, then go there, recommended chart, all chart, click waterfall, click on this. Now we want to edit this chart. So what you have to do? First you have to double click on it, then delete, then you have to remove chart title, then click on this and click on down text option, click on this side line, whatever you want. Go down bottom, then remove this, click on delete. Then now you have to select change the color, go on this, do the same things. Finish it. That's all from my side.